Tools and softwares used in this course. To help you gain practical experience and build real AI projects, this course uses several popular tools and software. These tools are widely used in AI industry and will give you valuable skills you can apply in the future work or projects. Here is an overview of the main tools and softwares we will be using. Python. Python is the primary programming language we will use throughout the course. It's one of the most popular language for the artificial intelligence and machine learning because it's simple, readable and has rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Next is Jupyter Notebook. It is an interactive development environment where you can write and run Python code, visualize result and add notes or explanations. It's especially useful for experimenting with data and building AI models step by step. NumPy is a Python library used for numerical computing. It provides powerful tools for working with arrays and performing mathematical operations efficiently, which is essential when dealing with the data in AI projects. Pandas is the another essential Python library for the data analysis. It helps you load, clean, and manipulate data sets, making it easier to prepare data for training machine learning and AI models. Scikit-learn is a widely used Python library for machine learning. It provides simple and efficient tools for building models, performing classification, regression, clustering, and evaluating the performance of your algorithms. TensorFlow is an open source framework developed by Google. It's used for building and training machine learning and deep learning models. In this course, we will use TensorFlow to create neural networks and other AI applications. Keras is a high-level API that works on the top of TensorFlow. It makes building deep learning models easier and more intuitive. We will use Keras to design, train, and evaluate neural networks with less complexity. PyTorch is another popular deep learning framework developed by Facebook. It's known for its flexibility and ease of use, especially in research and prototyping. We will look at how to use PyTorch for building neural networks and deep learning experiments. Matplotlib and Seaborn. These Python libraries are used for data visualization. They help you create charts, graphs, and plots to better understand data patterns and model results. Visualizing data is an important part of working in AI as it helps you draw insights and communicate with your findings. Cloud services, this is optional. We will briefly introduce cloud AI services like Amazon Web Services AWS, Google Cloud Platform GCP, and Microsoft Azure. These platforms provide tools and infrastructure for deploying AI models at scale. Although this is optional and it is not required to complete this course. Throughout the course, I will guide you through installing and using these tools. No prior experience is necessary, as I'll explain each step to make sure you are comfortable working with the software. By learning how to use these tools, you will gain practical skills that are highly valued in the AI industry and be better prepared to build your own AI projects or pursue a career in this field. Let's get ready to explore these powerful tools and start creating with the artificial intelligence.